Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at MPC ertl 1986 Chevy Corvette. You can build one of two ways. There's the custom version and the stock version. Let's take a look. Here's our body. Somebody did start putting the graphics on it, or the custom accessories, which I'm going to do. Here's our chassis, front suspension, engine pieces. Here's our dashboard. Here's our interior tub, steering wheel, bucket seat, shifter. Here's our other bucket seat, rear differential, wheel backs, our engine, inner fenders, radiator. I don't know what that X thing is supposed to be. Here's our exhaust. And not really sure what that little piece is, but we'll find out together. Here's our chrome, our custom rims, our stock rims, valve covers, side pipes. Here's the rest of our custom pieces that go on this side here. I assume that is maybe that part there. Maybe. We'll see. Here's our mirrors, our radiator hoses, and our spare tire area. Here's our glass. Rear spoiler. Rear louver for the back window. Front end. Assume that goes on there like that, maybe, for the custom one. Here's our hood. Here's our 4 stock BF Goodrich radials. The other one I dropped on the floor, I see. Here's our wide tires, our Goodyears. There's 4 of them. Those are some wide tires. Here's our reds. Another little piece, I don't know what that goes to. Our exhaust. Our other spoiler. Our instructions. And our decals, which are pretty much trash. Comes with these also. And our blueprinter thing. That is pretty much everything in this kit. Don't know if I'm going to build it because I'm not a big Corvette person. But we'll see, who knows. Glass is kind of marked up on the front. I can always use a set of BF Goodrich radio TAs though. So you can have the stock fuel injected engine or the custom V8. Custom wheels are stock. There we go. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Hopefully I earned your like on it. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. You guys all have a great rest of your Saturday. Bye.